Hello mga ka-fam! Welcome back to our channel, Team Pagyasan. Join us at El Nido, Palawan as we celebrate my husband's birthday. Last year, we celebrated his birthday at Puerto Princesa and we would like to explore El Nido this time around. Our flight was via Cebu Pacific at 6 a.m. Traveling at dawn or in the early morning is really beautiful because you get to witness the sunrise and the giant clouds that look like a kingdom straight out of a fairy tale. The weather at that time was so unpredictable. It was sunny, and in just a split of seconds, it becomes rainy, then sunny again. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that, it rained so hard. And after that, it becomes sunny again. See? But the travel becomes more exciting. We are about to land at Puerto Princesa. By the way, in this trip, I booked with a travel agency, which is Gladex. That's why when we arrived in Puerto Princesa, the van service was already there waiting to take us to our very basic and simple accommodation. I prefer to book with the travel agency to avoid any hassle during this trip. When we arrived at our accommodation, we just changed our clothes and then went to El Nido Square excitedly, near the seaside where the boats dock. We roamed around the seashore, walking and exploring the area to see what we could find, the views, the shops, and everything around. After that, we looked for a coffee shop at El Nido Square. And by the way, every tricycle ride cost 100 pesos. That's how expensive tricycle rides at El Nido. Siyempre, umpisa na ng diskusyon kung saan talaga kami pupunta, kung saang bahagi or kung saang coffee shop kami mag-stay muna. We asked the tricycle driver which coffee shop he would recommend, and he suggested the Art Cafe. So we walk around and look for it ourselves. I see it. Pwede dyan, no? Wow. Tayo. Saan yun din yung sa kabila? This is at the Art Cafe and this is our first meal at El Nido. This is the El Nido town proper. It is where many of the island hopping tour boats are docked. We also had our dinner here so we could watch the sunset. We really waited for it. Tayo.
Mamasyal. Sa gabing maliwanag.
Just after dinner, nag-dinner kami. Tapos babalik na sa hotel. May merienda, bumili na rin.
Tapos tulog. Tapos bukas.
Island hopping. So, masaya ka naman sa birthday mo, brother.
Hindi pa naman. Bukas pa ako masaya.
Grabe siya.
Hindi pa gaano ngayon. Kasi hindi pa naman talaga birthday. Actually. Pero, thank you. Celebrate mo sa akin.
Welcome.
Tapos, sa January,
Ano?
iti-treat mo rin ang sarili mo.
Ang kapal ng mukha. Dito na tayo mag-tricycle. Ayan ang tricycle nila dito. Maganda din.
Hindi kagaya ng tricycle natin doon.
Oo.
Probinsya po kayo, sir?
Hindi, Manila po kami.
Manila?
Classic, oo.
Naman din doon. Pero dito,
Uniform ang yung tricycle.
parang organized, kumbaga. Opo. Dapat lang tourist
This is just our day one. I'm not going to make it long so as not to bore you. So see you again. Thank you.